Hey everybody, it's Darren with Mr. B. Listen, we wanted to give you a quick little tidbit on how to travel and pack effectively. Jane has challenged me with the idea of taking a weekend for a wedding event or something like that, where we need to take a jacket and a necktie and have several different looks to pair together. So in real short order, what I wanted to share with you, the most important thing about traveling and packing effectively is to pick a color palette that all kind of goes together. So today's winning color palette, as always with me, is going to be different versions of blue and taupes and browns and things like that are all very neutral and natural to wear together. So this would be, when we get to our destination, the perfect blazer and necktie approach. We have another evening approach with this little stretch jersey sport shirt. This is a neat little pullover, very lightweight cotton and linen knit from St. Croix, a very cool 5-pocket jeans. Guys, white denim is bigger than ever. To ground out an outfit and look very effortlessly cool, white denim is cool. And then also, maybe travel pack day, you're wearing a pair of denim jeans and a fun sports shirt, but also this has an afterlife to wear with a cover like this sweater, as well as down to our khaki shorts, and then our favorite little hair of the dog Bloody Mary shirt from Johnny O. So quickly, what I wanted to just wax a little bit to you about is how we travel and pack. Jane has provided me with the absolute smallest bag she could find, I'm convinced. And guys, I just wanted to walk you through how I have packed over the years very effectively and pull things out of my bag without any wrinkles. I'm not going to press anything when we're at the hotel. So my advice, save the dry cleaner plastic that you get at your home. So save that plastic and fold that inside of your shirts and inside your jackets and inside your trousers. And what it does is it provides you with just a slick little layer so that your clothing experiences little wrinkling. Look, I did a quick little fold on that shirt. I'm going to fold, this one's already folded up with some tissue inside, but you know, we're going to improvise and say that, you know, it's got plastic already. Denim jeans, listen, it's real easy to have them come out wrinkle-free if you just roll them. So start from the bottom and roll this denim jean up. Fold the crotch in there a little bit, roll that up. I'm going to set my items aside here real quick, and then I'm going to pack a bag. I only get a couple of minutes to do this, guys, so I'm going to move real quickly. Here's another shirt. I've got more plastic. So yeah, save the dry cleaning plastic that you get at home. Listen, my wife thinks I'm crazy. I save all this plastic, but then when we travel and pack and go to market trips in New York City, boy, they require me to wear a jacket every day and look like I'm in the clothing business. And the caveat to that conversation is, oh, by the way, we don't check any bags. We take everything carry-on. So this is a way to, again, put all that plastic inside there. Jane, thanks for keeping up with me. Your necktie, take your necktie and roll it as well. You'll find that it comes out a lot more wrinkle-free. So we're almost getting to the point where I'm going to pack this bag up. Let's see, here's our trouser. Line up the creases real nicely. Take your plastic, fold it in half. Fold that leg up. Oops. And you don't have to be all neat and tidy about this, guys. Just line up the creases nicely. But the plastic doesn't have to be orderly inside. Okay. I think we're about to where I'm going to pack this bag, Jane. Something also that's really notable right now, shoes. We have been doing so much with sort of hybrid style shoes that this particular shoe you can wear with bare feet and a cool pair of khaki shorts and a knit shirt. And then you can wear it all the way up to this blazer sport coat ensemble that I'm sharing with you. Okay, so lay the sport coat out on your bed. Just kind of like that, how it naturally folds like that. Take this piece of plastic up, fold it inside. Now, right about that top button, grab it right there and let it fold. So now I've got a layer of plastic that creates this little slick layer. So now we're going to get to packing our bag. Let's see, how are we going to do this, Jane? Let's put the trousers on the bottom. We're going to put our shirt on the side. We'll put a sweater here. Boy, it's going to look ridiculous if I can't make all this fit, right? So here's a sports shirt. Here, I've rolled underwear. Underwear you can just kind of tuck around the outside of your bag a little bit, just so things don't move around. And I think that when your bag is packed tightly, it's less likely to wrinkle as well. So then we'll also, let's see, we'll put this little sports shirt on top. Here's a knit shirt. I think I can make all this fit, Jane. Put the heavy stuff, you know, like your denim. I was sharing with you to roll the denim. Put that stuff on the bottom so that it doesn't wrinkle your jacket horribly. So we're gonna roll the jeans. We'll just kind of put those on the side there. Put this guy in. Let's see, what else we have? We're gonna pretend like he's wearing shoes, but you know, we can also put the shoes right in there. Oftentimes, all of our manufacturers, they deliver with shoe bags. They're always nice to travel and pack. Look at this. The jacket fits pretty effortlessly right into the bag. And let's see, what else do we have? We have a necktie. And we're just gonna put him there, kind of all rolled up. Here's our belt. Again, guys, I'm gonna tell you, just pick a color palette. It could be black and white. It could be, you know, in different densities of gray. Navies and blue and brown always seem to go together. Here's our socks. We'll put this short in on top. Just put the lighter weight things on top. Okay, now, Jane, I'm not used to your bag here, but we're gonna improvise and we're going to zip this all shut. Now, this should cover you for about 4 or 5 days. You got several different looks. I explained how you can wear the pullover crew neck sweater and all those things, you know, together with the denim, the white jeans. There's all kinds of, I don't know how that works. Okay. There we are. And we're gonna close that up. Guys, here we go. In 5 minutes, I have packed a bag to take an extended weekend. Right there it all is. We have a jacket, what, 2, 3 pairs of trousers, a couple of sports shirts, a sweater, and it's all mixing. If you pick a color that all kind of works together, it makes traveling and packing a lot easier. Hey, listen, if we can ever advise you on how to travel and pack and build a winning little capsule of clothes for travel and pack, myself, my colleagues, we're here to assist you in that effort. And just hook up with us, give us a call. We'd love to visit. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll look for you soon. Have a great day.